Come, get some, little bums, Josiah, more fire, here I come, hot wire, live wire.
Nice, dude.
I take the cake from under the bacon stump. I bake the cake and serve it to the slums. I hold the weight, your weight just begun
nice
from
one,
the
man.
steel. Ferris wheel when it's spun. I am the one to get the job done. We are off the meter, hot like cigars, senorita. I got a bottle of pops and I can heat up. I need a hot spot to heat up. In the club, I kick my feet up. Standing on the couch, check my sneakers. While I'm out with a bad diva, she's a keeper. Can she keep up? Cause
Oh, yeah.
Swag test floor, I missed the swag-tastic. Knocked off my game as soon as I thought I mastered. And I know easy come, easy go. I met and slept plenty, but none like before. I'm a rolling stone when my head's my home. My bag got boned, and I'm gone. Looking fresh, that chick, oh yes, I'm on. The illest nigga reeking on the microphone. I do what you
Oh, big bass! Big bass, dude! Big bass! Oh, I seen him. Oh, this is a big one. Dude, this is a nice one.
I'm a murder
Look at this
MC.
monster.
Prejudice and how my heart tempts me. A good fella like a tall Joe Pesci.
Get him, get him.
Break your face if my anger let me. Get me?
Oh!
Nice.
Dude, he came out of nowhere. Dude, look at this. He's a big one. What do you think?
4 son.
yeah. Brand new handgun, shoot up the party, new millennium. Charlie Manson, Master Mike's merciless, the man magnificent. Rocket power bullet dripping through your ligaments. Everybody get on the floor, it's survival. We smack the bank, tell it, but don't you try me. Super terrific criminal, genius mastermind, blast the nines, mine can't find your hairline.
What we're using today is called a Skinny Dipper. It's by Reaction Innovations. It's one of my favorite lures, and I'm throwing it on 20-pound fluorocarbon, throwing it on the Genesis series made by iRod. It's a great rod. Good one?
Working out at the wide. Not too skinny.
Oh yeah, he's got a little belly. Are you kidding me, dude?
Good one.
Tearing them up. That's a toad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. On the spinnerbait, baby.